Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special recipe for you. A classic Diwali snack known as Shankarpali. While traditionally made in Marathi households, we're presenting it with English subtitles to make it accessible to a broader audience. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for making Shankarpali. 1 cup all-purpose flour, maida. 1/4 cup semolina, rava. 1/4 cup milk. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. A pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder. Oil for frying. First, in a mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, semolina, sugar, a pinch of salt, and cardamom powder. Mix them well. Now, add ghee to this mixture. Ghee will give the Shankarpali its rich flavor. Gradually, add milk to form a firm dough. You can adjust the quantity of milk as needed. Once the dough is ready, roll it into a thick chapati or flatbread. Make sure it's not too thin. Now, using a knife or a Shankarpali cutter, cut the dough into small diamond or square-shaped pieces. You can make them as big or as small as you like. In a pan, heat oil on medium heat. You'll know it's ready when a small piece of dough dropped in sizzles and floats to the surface. Gently slide in the cut Shankarpali pieces. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Make sure to flip them to ensure even cooking. Once they are nicely golden, remove the Shankarpali from the oil and drain excess oil by placing them on a paper towel. Your Shankarpali is ready. Allow them to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. There you have it, a delicious and crunchy Diwali snack, Shankarpali. This recipe is quite simple and perfect for celebrating the Festival of Lights. If you enjoyed this recipe and found our English subtitles helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more such delightful recipes. Wishing you all a happy Diwali. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy making and sharing these Shankarpali with your loved ones. Until next time, happy cooking!